in the course of the last celebrations, that's Christmas and New Year, President, father of the nation, deemed it right and thoughtful of him to ensure that citizens in this country, they are made happy. And this is not because it's Christmas. Some will refuse to celebrate Christmas because they are not Christians. But nobody will refuse to celebrate New Year because all of us are come to the New Year. So, for the celebration of the two, until there's no one that will not celebrate Christmas, because being alive and being there on the 25th of December any year, you want to thank God because it's a special day. So the president thought it right to make everybody happy, not just Christians alone. But he moved further than usual remembrance of people. If I think just for people who have said they can't distribute as we like, I will start within can and begin to find it out. But specifically on the presidency, we were informed that this half release of this palliative to every state should be given to less privileged, the orphanages, the motherless baby homes, the some state IDPs, boosters homes, church homes, school for blind, or those that are with disability. Even we are going to extend this to leprosians. We are up to 3 in Ogun State. When they are introducing the man from Sacred Heart, and that's good. Now, I've been looking at who is going to represent that of the Sacred Heart. It's going to go round. So, and you are going to do it in a way that every soul in this state must have a feel of what the president has done. And not him, with support of his wife, I mean the wife, Senator Ogun Tinubu, and other declaration of the Executive Secretary of Brigham's Board, Federal Brigham's Board, my brother, the Right Reverend Dr. Steve Adipute. And I want to appreciate even offices, the security offices that are also overseeing what we are doing. Because we received letter from the office of the National Security Advisor and that of the security on how to manage these resources that come to us. So it cannot be done, nobody can sit on it or just do it anyhow. We must ensure that it gets to the grassroots because the heart of the president is in with the less privileged. So in Ogun State, we have 4 zones that are going to share this distribution. So we are doing that over Delta today. We are still going to Chicago, Jebu. We are still going to Akute, Lambert zone, and we are still going to Adodo Yewa zone. So that everybody in the local ground of this state will have a feel of what you are doing. And we are sure by the time we finish, not less than 90 homes of orphanages, of shelter homes, of less privileged that those are disabled disabilities of different sorts, and whoever they are going to partake in this. And it's going to be a real assignment for us to go probably visiting your homes one by one. But
Shey dey see am abi? Because if you would talk say politician, that is a government and religion are Nigerian problem, some of una no go understand am. Instead of the crazy men, instead of this level to tell the government to give Nigerians job, create job, so people will have the work and have money to feed themselves. But they are there, using rice to campaign for our president Tinubu. They say am abi, because if you dey tell una say you see all these religious leaders, they no care about you. Na only their stomach. But one day you go understand am. Make I no talk much, because this video now explained a lot of things here.